unboxing a newly arrived stadium. Let me just put this. The bubble, the bubble wrap. Okay, the bubble wrap is done. Just put it right there, and let's unbox the stadium. Now, see the stadium. Almost there. Take the take this. And now this it's on it. Here's the stadium. Here's the stadium. Here's the stadium. More bubble wrap. Yes. Here's the stadium. Here's the stadium. Let me test this. Just get my take the one and let it. Oh, it's good. It's really good. And it's big too. Yeah, this goes for this testing part. Have fun and like and subscribe. Bye!